Hi, this is Greg from Structural Toolkit. Something you can use in Toolkit that will help speed up your design efficiency are project values. Project values allow you to create your own variables within a project and use them throughout your designs. Some typical applications of this are your wind pressures without coefficients and serviceability ratio, or a common floor or roof load you will use on many of your members. You can access your project values manager from the project tab and by clicking on the project values icon. Here we get a blank menu where you can add as many values as you would need. To give an example, we'll add in a tiled roof load of 0.9 kPa. We'll name it tiled, give it a value of 0.9 and give it a description. Make sure you press tab at the end to save the input in the cell. To add our wind variables into this table, we can do this by closing the menu and under the drop down, press wind. This will then automatically fill in the wind variables, and if we were to change the values here, it would be able to automatically apply to all existing and new designs. To demonstrate this, we'll change our wind pressure to 0.95 and close the manager. As we already have a roof beam design in our project, it will ask us if we want to apply this change to this design, and so we'll click yes. If we now open up this design, we can see our wind load of 0.95 kPa in there. To use a variable you've created in design, you'll need to use the project value function in a cell. We'll try using our tile load. In here, we'll type out project value in brackets, tiled inside quotation marks, and go enter. And here we can see our 0.9 has been filled in. If we were to go back to the project value manager and change the value of the variable, say 0.8, and then close it, it would then also change it in this design, automatically recalculating. Another kind of variable you can use within your designs are the variables specific to the module. Say we want to use the centers multiplied by a tiled value in the cell to the right here. What we can do is first right click on the cell we want to get the variable of, click the cell name item, which copies it to the clipboard. We can then in the cell paste in our variable by going Ctrl V and multiply it by our project value. We'll also make sure to divide it by 1000 to keep it in the right units. You can now see inside this cell, we're using the centers variable from the module, and if we were to change it, our load will change with it. Say by increasing our centers to 900. Do remember that these module variables are only applicable within the design itself, so you can't take them over to another design like you can with the project values. That covers project values and variables. Feel free to check out our website for other tips and videos. Thanks for watching.